You just got finished seeing how Natasha worked with the two lovely models. Now it's going to be my turn, just trying to show you my workflow here. Now, I'm shooting right now with the DA50 with the 85, 1.8, just there, we'll keep it at 1.8, shoot a little bit shallow here, but may change it up a little bit here. Yeah, Natasha just killed it. She's going to be embarrassing me out here, but at the same time, this is the reason why. It's to show you experience versus the novice. She's the experienced one, I'm the novice one. So I'm just going to show you how, you know, I do my thing. You know, she was on point, I'm not on point, you know what I'm saying? So I just want to show y'all what I do. All right, here we go. So we got the lovely Autumn here in this great fitting dress here. I got her in front of this nice red background here that I love. I'm using the Godox 8600. It's not the Pros, the regular manual. Got it probably about 45 degrees off of her and about a little bit higher, which is going to create a nice little transition on it. Then the light fall off with a little bit of shadow there. So yeah, I'm just gonna get started. I'm not really strong on poses. I've been telling y'all this for a while, but I just do me. You know what I'm saying? I just do me. So here we go. I do a lot of poses. I know y'all seen me in my latest videos. I act out a lot of poses. That's the only way I can interpret it to the model. What I want to do is kind of So after I got finished doing that look right there, now I'm gonna just have it standing up with a basic just stand up pose, just to show off a figure.
There we go. Yes, you know how to work it. You know, like take the leg toward me and step up on the next one. Just like that. And then like, yes. That's gorgeous. That's stunning. Girl, yes. Now, if you want to like, just like going down onto the ladder. Yes, look at that. And then we can move that. You can like, if you want to like, do you want to take the hair down and kind of like make it wild? Yes, and then you can take this whole side and flip it over that way. Yes, perfect. That's gorgeous, yes. It's very Beyonce of you. That's gorgeous. Side in and like, put it in and see, yeah, you're gonna like put, yes. Like I love hair, lots of hair, yep, that's gorgeous. Hold that, stunning, right there. Oh, now bring the chin down for me. Oh, yes. Yes. Oh, I love that one so much of you. Like 100% editing that one and posting, because that one's my favorite. Love that of her. I mean, and the highlight is popping, and the boobies are popping there. It's all popping. Yeah,
all right, this is going to be Natasha's and I shoot together. I mean, not shoot together, but comparison photos of how we work together. I'm using the deep parabolic 36-inch. I had to add a kicker to the back. Natasha on the previous one didn't really have to because she was using the umbrella, so you get a little bit more spread of light, so she was able to still separate the hair from the dark background. So in order for me to do that, I need to add a kicker light, and hopefully that thing will come out as good as Natasha just did. So here we go. All right, here we put the hair, mommy. Yep. Bring that hat up there. I need that hat. Don't hide my hat. I put a lot of work into this hat. Love it. Yep. We just got finished having a very long day, but very fun. Natasha and I doing a collaboration today was actually really fun and learned a lot from her, honestly. As you can see in the video, she actually uses a lot of umbrellas, where I was using a lot of deep parabolics, soft boxes instead. And we definitely comes out with two different looks. And with her, just like when we were shooting against this backdrop, she really didn't need a figure light because the umbrella was just spreading so much it was able to separate it from the dark background. As when I was shooting with a deep, and that beam is just kind of narrowed on the subjects, I had to add a kicker light. So just little different tools and tips of those things to let you know that you can use different modifiers to do simple, different things. If you don't have a lot of equipment, then you don't have to have a lot of equipment. You just get done what you get done. Today I was shooting a Nikon. She's a Canon shooter. We actually both still shooting on DSLR, so we're not mirrorless yet. And I like my DSLR.
I do too.
I do like mirrorless at the same time because all the technology advances come with them. But don't really get that into the battle of your equipment. Just get out here and do what you got to do. Like I said, she has some lovely pictures, did some lovely things today. Thanks to the lovely Autumn, a model / she did the makeup today. Thanks to Rupa, model. They did a really quick look too, as you see in the video earlier. She did a real quick look on her. It just turned her stunning with amazing makeup artists. She also had the makeup done. Let me give a shout out to her too, Dominique, my makeup artist back in Lexington. She always does the makeup. She did it right beforehand, before I came out here. So I'm gonna get on to Natasha and let her say what she has to say.
If I dropped it. We really got it together. But no, I think it was a very fun day. I think you'll be able to definitely see the contrast, but we also worked really well together, and I think it's something a lot more photographers should do is collaborate, because you really get to be creative and bounce off of each other and see how each other works, and if anything, it's going to make you grow. So like, why wouldn't you do that? And it's also really amazing to work with somebody who has a completely different style than you, because we do have different styles, but we still shoot more. It's still more similar because we're not like that natural light photographer. We still use flash. We still like a little fashion. We still like a little glamour. We like a little extra and a little drama. So we are on that level of similar. So it was really cool to get to work together. And then we made the suggestion of to do the models in 2 different looks that we wanted to do, and then shoot the same look, so that way you all can really see the comparison and contrast between everything. But all in all, I think it was a successful day, and I think we should do it again.
Yes, I definitely want to do it again. Just go back off on her point about photographers collabing together. Yeah, you definitely should start doing it, because it's really hard. A lot of photographers really. Sorry about the intermission. Okay, so Natasha, like I said, she got a lot of experience. How much experience you have in photography?
I'm 28, and I actually started when I was 14. So I've been in the game as long as most of the veterans have, actually.
So yeah, she's been in the game a long time. I just started probably back in 2016. I started off with landscapes.
But you're still killing it.
And now, like probably in 2017, I really started doing portrait photography, and I really enjoy it. So it's actually a lot like just other photographers really need to start collabing with each other and really try to help each other out instead of trying to be stingy. So like I said, I hit her up on the IG. She was more than welcoming to my idea to come down here and collab. So I came down to a studio, and it was really, thanks for being a gracious host to me and my model and things like that. But yeah, so just get out there, shoot, collapse a little bit more. Photographers stop being stingy with each other. And you know what I'm saying, get together and do some fun things. But I'm gonna leave all their information down in in the description below, the IG where you can contact them at her business down here in Whitesburg, Kentucky. Sorry,
Yes.
God bless America. This is a long outro, but I'm going to do it anyway because I had a lot to talk about right now, so it's all good. But until the next video, peace, love, see you later.